Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to EPIK photo editor using Google account. So if you guys haven't logged in into EPIK, you can just easily log in using your Google account. So what you need to do is click at the people icon at the top right corner, click on that, and then here there is an option to log in. There's a black button here, click on that, and there are two options that you can choose to quick login: sign in with Facebook or sign in with Google. So in this case, I'm going to just sign in with Google. Click on that. Okay, so here choose your Google account. If you have more than one, you can just choose one of them. And okay, it will be loading, and just like that, now the login has succeed. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can log in into EPIK using Google account. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.